Good morning, it's Achilles here with information from the car, brought to you by Starbucks. No, I'm just kidding. Hope you're having a great day so far. Just want to get into a little bit of what we're seeing going forward. Got a lot of economic data coming out this week, non-farm payrolls, retail prices are going to be reported that were delayed back in October, so that's coming out now. And then this Thursday, I believe we have the CPI coming out as well. All more information whether or not this market, this economy, and the country as a whole has legs as far as to keep going the way it's been doing. Now, we're also seeing some interesting, the Wall Street Journal today talked about the Dow Jones, not the industrials, but the transportation index. So we're starting to see companies in that index going up double digits. We have been on watch in that sector for quite some time. We're not big fans of the airlines, although we do see some benefit to owning some, but you know, it's one of these things. Can you imagine one plane crashes your stock as well for a time? So you know, you see it with companies like Boeing. You know, the minute that they had the 737 MAX crashes, stock was just beat on. We'd like to avoid that as a portfolio manager. We're also seeing, you know, we saw a shakeout in the AI sector. I mean, Oracle was down more than 12% last week, and you know, by that malaise, or that's, you know, it seems to be, it was spreading a bit through, and it was overblown in my opinion. So we are, when we can, we go and buy more in the sector. We do believe that that's the future. We love quantum computing, although we're really not sure how we're going to maximize your return on investment at this particular point. There are a couple of plays that we're doing in the portfolios that we think will do well. We continue to overweight technology, and we think that it's just a great place to be as of this point. Santa Claus rally, why not? You know, let's continue on till the end of the year. This is Aquiles Larrea, and once again, who's great for Larrea Wealth? If you're in the area of retiring, you know, you say, hey, I'm done with watching this stuff. I need somebody to come in and be in my corner. Let's have a talk. If you are changing jobs, why would you leave your 401k with an old employer who doesn't care anything about you? All right, that never made sense to me. You also may have a trigger event, we call it, where you have to decide whether I'm going to do a lump sum payout or if I'm going to do a annuity type payout, and a payout for the rest of your life. Sometimes it's in your best interest to look at both options, all right? Not just decide, hey, I want to get paid out for the rest of my life. Sometimes you can do better. The last thing that I would say is that as we head to the end of the year, a lot of reflection takes place. I know in my business, I sit down and I want to say to myself, maybe I need to reflect upon what I'm currently doing, what's working, what's not, and who I'm doing with. If you're looking for someone to take over the reins because you're sick and tired of being your own financial advisor, give us, you know, reach out to us, DM, we'll talk. If you qualify, I'll get you on the calendar. Have a great day. Take care.